A woman sneezed out maggots after a fly larvae infestation. In 2022, a rare case of sheep's nose occurred in a human, with a deviated septum. But here's what makes this story unbelievable. The condition, known as myiasis, is extremely rare in humans. For decades, only a few cases have been reported, all involving the second and third stage larvae. The flies adapted to use human noses, and in one instance, pupation occurred. The patient's deviated septum trapped the larvae, allowing them to progress. And that's why the flies never left her nose. The same reason she sneezed out maggots.